A good reader is a good speaker. Let's enhance reading skills in children through story reading. Thanks for your like. Subscribe to stay connected. There once lived a little girl who was the size of a thumb. Her name was Thumbelina. One night as she was sleeping, a frog who wished to marry her carried her away to the pond and placed her on a lotus leaf. When she woke up, she saw herself alone in the middle of the pond, and she began to cry. A fish took pity on her and decided to save her from the frog. The fish pulled the leaf till the bank and left the little girl there. Then, she met a butterfly who took her to the land full of beautiful flowers and birds. She made many friends there. But soon, winters came, and all the birds ran away to the warmer places. Thumbelina was alone there, and she was dying because it was very cold there. A kind field mouse saw her and took her and looked after her. One day, the field mouse told her to marry their neighbor Mr. Moo. But she didn't want to and was unhappy. As she was sitting all alone, she suddenly saw her old friend, the blue bird. The bird took her away from the field mouse and flew away to the kingdom of little people who were not bigger than a thumb. They warmly welcomed her to their land, and she lived there for many years. Ah, how happy she was to finally find her home with friendly people who are just like her.